There are 7 types of adjectives: descriptive adjective, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective, distributive adjective. So we can split this into descriptive adjectives and limiting adjectives. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. So we have descriptive adjectives and limiting adjectives. Descriptive adjectives describe the quality of the noun or pronoun, whereas limiting adjectives limit a specific noun or pronoun being described. Descriptive adjective. We can split this into attributive or predicative adjectives. Attributive adjective attribute a quality to the noun they modify. They come directly before the noun. For example, that is a beautiful house. Predicative adjective follows a linking verb and modify the subject of the sentence or clause. A few examples of this include appear, look, seem, be, etc. For example, that house looks expensive. So the linking verb is looks, expensive is the predicative adjective. Adjective of quantity. This type of adjective describes the amount of the noun or pronoun. This can be definite or indefinite. Definite tells us exactly how many or how much. For example, 2 cars. This is an example of a cardinal adjective because we know exactly how many cars there are. First job. This is an example of an ordinal adjective because the job is put into order, so it's first. Indefinite. This type tells us generally how many or how much. For example, all, few, many, any, little, much, most, several, etc. For example, he left the house a few hours ago. Demonstrative adjective. This is the same as demonstrative pronouns. They are used as adjectives to point to specific nouns. This includes this, that, these, those. For example, these are my shoes. Those earrings are expensive. Interrogative adjective. This is used in an interrogative sentence and can modify a noun or noun phrase. This includes which, what, whose. For example, what did you do today? Which drawer are the socks in? Possessive adjective. This type of adjective shows ownership of a noun. This includes my, your, her, his, their, our, its. For example, that is my house. Where is your phone? Proper adjective. This type of adjective modifies a noun or pronoun by adding a proper noun. Examples of proper nouns include British, Russian, Chinese, Irish, French. For example, British comedy, French croissant. Distributive adjective. This type of adjective refers to group members separately instead of collectively. This includes each, neither, either, every, any, one, both. For example, neither of them have finished their homework. One of the pupils answered the question.